Glock 42, 380 auto. About to do a little penetration test. First shot is going to be FMJ PPU. Second shot is going to be hollow tip hornady. I'm going to shoot it through some wood. First shots with a 380, brand new. Hold it sideways so you get the full screen on the TV. Come up close, get a picture of this gun. Alright, here we go. Let's walk up, make sure we hit. Let's see where it entered right there. Went straight through. And then it went right there. I think that's dead right there. That's our hole right there. It went in right there. And then right there. And it's still in the wood right here. Wait, what's that?
Make sure that ain't a 380.
9 round. Yes, right here. It's in that. So let's shoot it with the hollow and let's see what it does. We'll get it out of that in a second. That's it. That's it. That's it. So I'll try to hit it just a little bit to the right of that. A little bit higher. Right up under it. That's the hollow point entering. Another entrance. And there it is. Right here. That's the hollow point hornady. Wait, that's a 22 round. We still got another entrance right here. I got an entrance. Oh, it busted that out pretty good. You see that? Try not to lose this hollow point. There it is. And this is the hornady hollow point in the wood. Get this wood out of the tip of it. There it is. So it didn't open up too much, but it went through two 2x8s and one 1x6. So the FMJ did the same thing as the hollow point.